Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Controller joystick drift is basically when an analog stick moves without any input from the user. This problem is something that, in the majority of cases, can only be fixed by physically taking apart the controller. No adjusting of the console settings can address the issue. 6 June 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The analog stick drift can also be caused by natural fluctuations in the controller design. It might be positioned slightly outside of the axis of origin when in use. This analog stick displacement is not unusual and can cause frustrating unintended movement or actions, which will depend on the game. 3 November 2020.
Take our lead.
1. Calibrate or recalibrate your Switch Joy-Cons. Remove your Joy-Con from the body of the Switch. Go to System Settings. Scroll to and select Controllers and Sensors. Select Calibrate Control Sticks. Then press down on the control stick for the controller you want to calibrate. 20th of July 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
This is usually caused by bad analog sticks. In most situations, these controllers are out of warranty and it is easy to recommend the repair, but yours is so new I wouldn't recommend repairing it. In this scenario, contact Microsoft and request a replacement controller. 27 January 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.